Have you ever felt like you've stepped into a different version of reality where everything suddenly feels different? What if I told you that you have the power to shift between realities just by focusing your thoughts and beliefs? In this video, you'll discover the secret behind reality shifting, a concept that Neville Goddard taught could transform your life. It's not about changing your surroundings. It's about changing your mind. By the end of this video, you'll understand how to shift your reality, and you'll be able to create the life you truly desire. Welcome to our channel, and don't forget to subscribe so you never miss out on powerful insights like this. Reality shifting, in the context of Neville Goddard's teachings, refers to the ability to move between different versions of reality simply through focused thought and belief. It's not about physically moving to a new place or changing external circumstances, but rather about shifting your perception and mindset. Goddard believed that your external world is a direct reflection of your inner state. Your thoughts, assumptions, and beliefs shape the reality you experience. When you shift your mindset, you naturally shift the reality around you. This process happens internally. It all starts with the mind, and through it you can create entirely new realities, ones that align with your deepest desires. Neville Goddard's law of assumption teaches that whatever you assume to be true in your mind will eventually become your reality. In other words, the thoughts and beliefs you hold, whether conscious or unconscious, shape the world around you. If you believe something strongly enough, your mind will create circumstances to match that belief. When you see something new or unexpected, it could be a sign that you've shifted into a new reality, one that aligns with your current assumptions. This shift happens naturally, as your thoughts and beliefs actively mold your experiences. Your mind holds the key to unlocking different versions of reality, and by changing your assumptions, you open the door to new possibilities. One of the most common signs that you've shifted realities is the feeling of déjà vu. It's that strange sensation that you've been in this exact moment before, even though you know it's brand new. You may also begin to notice subtle changes in your environment, things that seem different, as though the world around you has shifted ever so slightly. Maybe people behave differently, or objects you've never seen before suddenly appear. Another sign is the presence of synchronicities, those little coincidences that feel too perfect to be random. You might notice repeating patterns in your day-to-day life, things aligning in ways that seem too deliberate to ignore. If you experience any of these signs, it could mean you've already shifted into a new reality. Keep an eye out for these subtle changes in your life, as they may be telling you that your reality has transformed. Neville Goddard taught that imagination is the most powerful tool you have for shifting realities. He believed that your imagination is not just a passive experience, it's the key to creating new worlds. When you vividly imagine a scene, and more importantly, feel the emotions that come with it, you start to imprint that reality onto your subconscious mind. This act of imagining with feeling is what brings your desires to life. Your inner world, filled with the thoughts and beliefs you create, holds the power to change your external world. The more you trust and use your imagination, the more you'll see it manifest into tangible experiences. Your imagination is the starting point, and from there, anything is possible. To start shifting your reality, begin by vividly imagining the life you desire as if it's already happening. Picture the details as clearly as possible. See the scenes, hear the sounds, and feel the emotions that come with it. The key is to fully immerse yourself in the experience, making it feel real in your mind. Once you've visualized it, embrace the feeling of the wish fulfilled. Feel the joy, gratitude, and excitement as though it's already yours. Allow that feeling to fill you completely. The most important part is to trust and believe that this shift is real, that it's happening right now. When you trust in the process and align your thoughts with your desires, the shift will naturally take place. Faith and belief are at the core of Neville Goddard's teachings. Goddard emphasized that the more faith you have in the possibility of shifting, the easier and more natural it becomes. Belief is not just a mental exercise, it's the foundation that allows your desires to manifest. When you truly believe in the process, you remove doubt and resistance, allowing your mind to fully align with your new reality. The more you trust that the shift is happening, the more quickly you will see evidence of it. Your faith strengthens the process, and by trusting the journey, you open yourself to the endless possibilities that lie within. Remember, you are in control of your reality. You are the creator of your world. Your thoughts and beliefs shape the life you experience, and your reality is constantly shifting to match your desires. Embrace the power within you to create the life you've always wanted. Say it with me now. I am in control of my reality. I am the creator of my world. My reality is shifting to match my desires. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more powerful insights. Keep manifesting and watch your world transform.